Hi, this is Chris with the Launch Group. Today I'm talking about AIO Pro. AIO is what we call our all-in-one. It's a sales and marketing platform, and it's specifically tailored for your credit repair business. And so I'm going to take you through what this is. We've talked about a couple of other different offers. Let me tell you what this does. If you are a new business starting up in credit repair, or you're an existing business and you're looking to scale, this is what will help you get clients. It will help you organize your things. It will save you time, but most importantly, it will save you money. I'm going to tell you just a quick story. When I started in the credit repair business, I was using a big name software, and it didn't do everything that I needed. So not only did it do disputing, but then I had to get all of this add-on software so that I could function and get clients, right? I had the software ready to go to do disputes, but it didn't help me get clients. It didn't help me schedule appointments. It didn't help me do a number of things that I needed to make the business whole and operate. And so as I started to grow, I started looking back at my credit card statements going, wow, I'm paying for a calendar software. I'm paying for a custom form software. I'm paying for something called ChargeBee or BillsBee. Oh, I needed funnels, so now I've got ClickFunnels. That's $97 a month. Oh, I want to build e-courses. Well, now you need Thinkific or one of those things. Or you hear about another software for website building. So you get WordPress, and then you get an Elementor editor. And I know I'm talking a bunch of gibberish, but the point is, as you started going through and looking at all the things that you start adding on in order to communicate, build websites, build funnels, be able to offer digital products, be able to create your own training courses and things, you're paying for all this stuff that everybody sells you on a monthly subscription plan, and none of it talks to each other. None of it is all like includes any content, right? So, oh, you get ActiveCampaign because you want to do your own emails and stuff, right? Well, that's great. Now you have an empty tool and there's nothing inside of it. So what LaunchAIO is all about is about reducing all of those spends, getting rid of those redundancies, getting rid of those things that just don't work together, packaging all of that capability in one unified platform. Now, we don't include disputing software with this offer. I want to make that very clear. This is not disputing software. So if you're using Dispute Hub, or you're using one of these other products, you can use this. This is a good complement to do your sales and marketing before they become paying clients, right? So how do you go acquire more clients? You connect it to your Facebook page. You connect it to your Google My Business page. You build a website in it. You build your funnels in it so you can send people down to your sales funnel to get them to opt in. You can use lead magnets with this product. You can do outreach via email. You can do autoresponding. It has built-in calendars. It has a built-in course creator. So all of these different things, and I'm going to show you, just kind of quickly as we go through this. Once you sign up, you then get access, and you can start getting rid of all this stuff, right? We mentioned a number of these different names already. It also includes a 24-hour lead generation course. We'll show you how to do Facebook ads, really simple, get set up and started. And then we also want to show you the other things that come in. There's two different style website templates. There's one for if you're charging a monthly rate for your credit repair, this is the style website for you. If you're trying to offer a do-it-yourself type credit repair program, then there's a website template pre-made for that. There are funnels in here. There's a lead magnet funnel for people who want to repair their credit. There's also another one for people who are perhaps looking to buy a home. And there's like a document in there that gives them some tips about what to do to prepare for it. So either case, when they opt in, then they become part of enrolled in your system so that you can start to continue to market to them. Automation is in there, right? We talked about a lot of different things. There are some eligible upgrades. There are some things that you can connect through Zapier. There are over 100 pre-written SMS and email templates included in there, with sequences to nurture leads, nurture clients. There's a unified communication platform. So Facebook Messenger, text SMS messages, voice drops, call recording, email, all of that is done in a unified space. There's tons of things that it can connect to in terms of integration. If you want to connect to a lot of different things like Stripe, PayPal, QuickBooks, Instagram, Facebook, Google Mail, all of that stuff. It will do ringless voicemail. So if you wanted to record a message, and have it dial out and leave a voicemail for a client, it will do that. It has an integrated calendar, so you can get rid of Calendly or Acuity scheduling. Clients can go to the page, pick a time slot that's available, and have a meeting with you, right? So it does that. It replaces your web hosting. You don't have to pay GoDaddy or anything anymore because the websites are built in. It has a member course creator, so you can get rid of ClickFunnels, you can get rid of Thinkific, you can get rid of whatever other e-learning platform that you're using to create courses. This has the tech in it to create courses and also to gate them so that people pay you for a one-time access or a subscription access, or you can let them have it for free because they're your client. That's included. There's also a review builder. This is something that'll save you money as well. So this will help request, when's the best time to ask for a review from a client? Right after you've talked to them on an initial consultation, or after the first 30 days when you get the biggest results on their score, right? That's when you want to ask them to provide a review. This will help you send out the review link. The dashboard will show you how you're doing, your most recent ones. So, a review reputation management software is quite costly, but this is built into AIO. Analytics, your dashboard, see where your money's coming from, right? What's in your pipeline, what's successful, what's not, right? There's reporting that will show you where your leads are coming from, how they were referred to you, so you can track all that. Who is your most successful salesperson? All of that information is available at your fingertips. We talked about the lead magnets, we talked about the appointment booking, and so it will seamlessly integrate with that and a whole lot more. And you don't have to take my word for it. There's plenty of testimonials and reviews on here that you can check out. We also include some very special bonuses. I mentioned the course building, the 24-hour lead course, and then we even have a mobile app, so you can actually go and access your system from a mobile app. So lots and lots and lots of good stuff there. I would encourage you to check it out. So tons and tons of things that I think you'd find very useful as a credit repair business. The process for getting started is very easy. When you click this button to get access, it's going to collect some basic information from you. It's going to be your name, phone number, email address, and then it's going to collect your credit card information. And then after a successful charge, you're going to go through a little bit of an onboarding process. So we've got a client service agreement for you to review and sign. There is an intake form where we collect a bit of basic information from you, like, do you have a Facebook page link? Do you have a custom domain already? What type of credit repair software are you using? We collect that information on this intake form, and a lot of that information you provide us goes directly into the system as a place to get started, and it will fulfill a lot of the places within the software for things like company name. That gets put into the emails wherever it's appropriate to mention your company name. It then goes into your funnel and goes into your website. So take your time, fill out that form. After you have a successful login and you fill out your intake form, we're going to ask you to schedule an appointment. We'll do an onboarding call, make sure we have everything set up for you, and then we also offer a Facebook community full of other users that are going through the same things that you may be going in your business growth, and how you're using the AIO Pro to leverage it, people asking questions, people making suggestions on how to better utilize it. So there's lots of stuff. You're in a good company with this group. We have some really, really great business owners that are in there and they're active. And so I'd recommend, if you're starting out and you're looking to scale your business, you need AIO Pro for your sales and marketing platform. Any questions, let us know. Thank you very much.